Plastic is a synthetic material that's made from synthetic resins or organic polymers that can easily be shaped or molded. Some plastics include lighters, bottle caps, cups, straws, or six-pack rings. Plastic pollution is when plastic has gathered in an area and has begun to negatively impact the environment and create problems for plants, wildlife, and humans. Plastic pollution is caused by population growth. As the human population increases, the amount of plastic being produced also grows. We're currently producing nearly 300 million tons of plastic and dumping more than 8 million tons into our oceans every year. While only 8% gets recycled, the rest is either burned, becomes litter, or end up in landfills. Because plastics were made to last forever, they don't biodegrade, but break down into smaller and smaller pieces. This has many negative effects on humans, wildlife, and the environment. Humans can be affected when plastics degrade in water sources and they release toxins. This can cause poisoning, cancerous diseases, or even death. Children can ingest plastic materials that have been carelessly disposed of, and this can result in choking or even death. Both land and marine wildlife are affected when they ingest plastic materials or get entangled in them. Cows generally eat plastic bags and get upset stomachs or poisoning due to the chemicals released from them. Marine life, like fish, ingest plastic materials and die from the chemicals. Whales can get entangled in plastic nets used for commercial fishing and die from either starvation or drowning. And if we do nothing and plastic pollution continues, it can cause major consequences. Both land and aquatic plastic waste might carry hosts like pathogens, bacteria, organisms, and carry diseases around the world, affecting humans and biodiversity, which could cause some species to go extinct, which will then affect the food chain for other organisms. Now, who wants to live in a world filled with plastic islands? We have to do something to reduce the amount of plastic waste we produce. To do so, we can use the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce. Reduce the amount of plastic we use. Reuse. Reuse our plastic and don't just throw it away after one use. Recycle. Recycle our plastic so we can make new products. So do your part in reducing plastic pollution.